Walang sinabi po doon sa issuance ng writ of summons, no, ng nire-issue po ng Senado acting as impeachment court is doon po sa defense to comment on the articles of impeachment within 10 non-extendable days, and thereafter for the defense to also respond to the comments for a non-extendable 5 days. If, for example, the effectivity of that daytime date would start, the reckoning point would start upon the receipt of the defense, then today they have already confirmed that they are in receipt of the summon, and so we start counting the days from there. Then, so probably, ano kung date ngayon, sorry, medyo na 20. So we're looking probably around first week of June. So that's just a conservative estimate.
June ang
That's a conservative estimate, but definitely it's up to the Senate as to how they will adapt, no, and how they can actually start convening. And they have already convened, but start the actual trial because there's still the preliminary trial, the markings of evidence. They basically laying the ground rules for the actual trial to happen. No? So the markings of evidences, the presentation of the potential witnesses, etc. So both defense and the prosecution team will also have to present yung mga pwedeng pag-usapan based on dun sa articles of impeachment. So ang pre-trial po would start, if I'm not mistaken, after the days that were set by the Senate to respond, to comment, and to respond. I have the defense team and as well as the prosecution.